Whether you need to maneuver safely, record in vehicle, live stream, or comply with industry regulations, we have done the hard work for you. Let's get started. Head to www.durite.co.uk and locate Kit Selector in the navigation bar. Click Start Now to begin. Select your vehicle type and pick your requirement. Choose between maneuvering, recording, live streaming, complying, or a customizable solution. Now to tailor your requirement. Do you also want to record, follow your fleet, or comply with FORS and DVS? Here you'll find everything you need in one place. From benefits, features, specifications, and how we can help you. There is also a quick inquiry form, preloaded with your chosen solution, ready for you to fill in and send, so one of the Durite team can contact you. For more information, visit www.durite.co.uk. Whatever your needs, Durite has got you covered.